It's been a few days since I posted a video, and it's just because of the holidays and things like that. But today I'm going to take a different subject. Today I'm going to talk about property and casualty, and that's just a boring way of saying, it's just an insurance term that says about your home and your auto and your business property, business workers' comp, all those kind of things. So one of the things about my agency, TWFG, most of our business that deals with auto and home and things such as that, and business insurance, most of my business for that is not in Troup County. And it was kind of deliberate, kind of happenstance, but the reason for that is that it's just easier to put it somewhere else. It's just easier to market to Atlanta, easier to market to Columbus and Newnan and those things right there. Because LaGrange is super competitive on it. There's some agencies that have been around here for a long time. There's Hutchison Trailer, Mallory Agency. Then there's a few Allstate agencies. I think there are 6 State Farm agencies, and there's American Family, and then there's like 3 or 4 Farmers agencies, and that's just a lot of competition. And so I avoided it because, you know, quite frankly, it cost a lot to market and to effectively get my message across in LaGrange, where it wasn't as difficult in Atlanta or Columbus, Macon even, you know, Savannah. But I think it's time for me to really do some effort to bring the service and savings that I provide to people in Atlanta, to bring it home to LaGrange. This is where I grew up. This is where my roots are. This is where my daughter goes to school. This is where a lot of things. And so I think it's only fair that I do spend a little bit of time marketing here, and that I do offer the kind of service and savings that I'm offering in Newnan. You know, we have a lot of customers in Newnan. We have a lot of customers that we save a bunch of money in Newnan. And so I think that, again, we're going to bring that savings home. We're going to bring it home to LaGrange. It's time. And so you're going to see me offer things in LaGrange that I necessarily haven't marketed out. We're going to have a big focus on homeowners insurance, because that has gone up a lot. And we're going to have a focus on auto insurance, because that's where we can save you the biggest bang for your buck. We can save you the most amount of money. Now, we only offer insurance from A-rated companies. We offer it from an assortment of different companies, but they're all A-rated. They all pay their claims. They all do those things right there. And so I'm not going to offer insurance from somebody who's not going to pay your claim, simply because I live here. I live here in LaGrange. And we're not going to offer you insurance that you don't need. I talked a little bit about those agencies that have been here a long time, or the ones that there's just a bunch of them, right? Some of them may have a different philosophy, right? A lot of them want to maximize their revenue, and they maximize their revenue by offering you these packages of coverage that you may or may not need. Now, we're going to offer you the coverages that you need. We're going to have you talk to us about the situation that you're in individually, and then we'll go through and we'll quote with all of our different carriers and offer you a solution, and let you at the end, once we've educated you, once we've informed you on what you're paying for, let you make that decision. Because at the end of the day, it's not my money, it's your money. It's not the insurance company, and it's not your money. And also, I'm going to ask you to have an open mind. Just because John has insured you for 6 years, or Sam or Sally has insured you for 6 years, doesn't mean that they're offering you the best policy at the best rate. So I'd ask you, if you hear from us, or if you hear somebody talking about us, give us a chance, because I promise you, we're going to do you right. You have a blessed day.